Welcome everybody, I'm Filippo Bianchini, and within this key point speech I'm going to give you a quick introduction about my job and the duties that I'm mostly involved in. Just to give you a very quick introduction, I am a software engineer in a satellite company that is based in Italy, and my focus in particular is on artificial intelligence, and I'm mostly involved within three key points, which are business innovation, knowledge transfer, and academic relations. So starting from the first one, business innovation. We all know that artificial intelligence is a topic that is becoming extremely trendy during the latest years because it's making our daily lives easier, and every business is trying to bring artificial intelligence within their processes and working frameworks, and mine as well. So what I'm currently doing, I work mostly on research projects, research and development projects, trying to build new algorithms that give us the opportunity to perform satellite image acquisitions faster, better, and in a more efficient way. And automatically, of course. So thinking about it, it seems something really like, wow, that's amazing. You're like an astronaut. Almost, but what are the main challenges here? So the challenges are that I work mostly on research and development activities, and therefore it's not that on research and development activities, and therefore 99% of our experiments do not give good results or what we would expect. So in that case, we always have to, we don't have to push ourselves down, but we have to keep my team has to keep the mood up. But however, I still like it because I think that, that's part of that's part of science cycle. So if you want to bring these new discoveries and innovation somewhere, you have to try and try and try. Another aspect is that I'm a software engineer, and I need to have to build something that fits within a satellite system. I need to have a comprehensive knowledge of how a satellite system works, and this is extremely complicated. So every time we start a new project, we don't have to focus only on a specific component of the satellite, but we have to get a knowledge of how the whole system works and how different parts interact. So this is really challenging because every time you discover something new, some boundaries, some blocks that you didn't consider the last time. But I'm a very curious person, and I think I still like it because this gives me the opportunity to enrich my basin of knowledge. And this links with me with the second key point, which is sharing knowledge. So whenever we build a new algorithm or a new solution that can be applied within our working framework, what I have to do is sharing this new solution within the team, within my department, and even with companies that use our services, so external companies. In this case, the delivery, the sharing knowledge delivery can be done in different ways. For example, through workshops, dedicated trainings or presentations. But in this case, the challenge is that you have to deal every time with a group of people with different backgrounds, different level of expertise, and in some cases, especially for the external companies, with people that are not based in Italy. So we have to bring these presentations in English, and I'm Italian, so English is not my native language, and there are some language blocks when you have to tell something. And moreover, you need even to make the presentation or the training captivating. You have to keep the level of attention high, because people don't have to get bored, otherwise they might miss some important elements. For this reason, I believe that this is challenging, but I think that it's even really, really interesting. I still like it because it's like being a teacher, an academic professor, more or less. And if I didn't follow my current career, probably I would have tried to pursue the teaching path. So I believe that in this way I'm keeping a step even in that show. And lastly, my third key point is the academic relations, because working mostly on innovation and on research, it's extremely important for me and for my company, of course, to keep good connection and networking with the universities. So whenever there is a new idea that is popping out from my team, I have to get in contact with universities from all over the world, looking for the right teams and departments that might collaborate with us to develop a new solution. In addition, I'm always the tutor and mentor of bachelor and master students that are doing their thesis with us. And both the things, so establishing connection and tutoring, are extremely energy demanding. Totally. I mean, at the end of the day, sometimes you feel your brain that is almost melted. But why do I like it? Because whether you end up with a publication or you end up with a thesis that then is presented by your student, you feel a huge feeling of satisfaction whenever you see the final outcome of your efforts. And I believe this is something really appealing, at least for myself. So this is in a few minutes I try to give you an introduction on my work. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.